Hi toddlers, how are you? I know nowadays you are missing the schools. So today I am going to tell you one story. The story is about the king of the jungle and the little mouse. Do you know who is the king of the jungle? Yeah, the lion. The story is about the lion and the little smart mouse. So let's start the story. A little mouse was lived in a big city, but there was a lockdown due to corona. So mouse was feeling very lonely. So one day he decided to go to the jungle to spend lockdown. So one day he went in the jungle. In the jungle, he found everything was very clean, white and green. So he was enjoying there. But suddenly, one day, he found a lonely soft spot on it. So he started jumping up and down like this. So he was enjoying very much. But what happened, do you know? When he was jumping like this, actually he was jumping on the lion. So suddenly what happened? Do you know? Lion roared. And he said, what he has done? Do you know? So he grabbed the mouse and he asked, what kind of animal are you? So mouse said, I am a little mouse. I have recently come here from the city. But who are you? Lion said, do you know? I am a king of the jungle. But mouse was very smart. So he said, excuse me, king of the jungle, can you hold me a little bit away from your face? So lion was confused. So mouse said, we have to maintain social distance. So please hold me a little bit away from your mouth. So lion said, why I have to hold little bit away from your mouth? So why I have to maintain the social distancing? So mouse said, because of corona we have to maintain the social distancing. What is a social distance and why? So mouse said, in big cities there is a danger called corona and it is danger. If you want to stay away from it, you have to maintain the social distance. Lion said, okay, I will hold you little bit away. Then again mouse said, but you have to wash your paws. Why I have to wash my paws? So mouse said, you have to wash your paws because to stay away from corona, you have to wash your paws. So lion said, I know you are trying to make me fool. That's why you are telling me this. Mouse says, no, I am not telling lie. Okay, then at least cover your mouth and nose with the mask. Why I have to cover my nose and mouth with the mask? I don't have mask. Can I cover it with the leaf? Mouse think and said, it's okay. You can cover it with the leaf. Can I bring it for you? Lion said, no, I will take it by myself only. I will hold you with one pose and I will get the leaf with the another pose. So mouse said, it's okay. When lion was trying to get the leaf, the mouse said, wait, king the jungle. So lion said, again what happened? So he said, you cannot touch the mouse with your unwashed paws. So lion said, again I have to wash my paws? He said, yes, when you will wash your paws and then only you can touch the mask. So, but little mouse was very smart. So he said, don't worry, king of the jungle, you can put me down. I will wait for you. So lion started thinking and he said, okay. So he decided as what the mouse said. So he put the mouse down and then he went to river to wash his paws. But when he was going to wash his paws, so mouse started running away. And mouse said, good job, king of the jungle. Then lion turned around and here he realized mouse had made him fool. So he said, wait mouse, I know you made me fool, but please tell me, corona is real or are you making me fool? So mouse said, no, king of the jungle, corona is real only. In big cities, because of coronas, humans are washing their hands, wearing the mask and maintaining the social distance also. So lion said, it's okay. You might try to make me fool, but you did give me the good information. So that's why today let me leave you, but next time definitely I will catch you. So when he finished his sentence, Maud again started running fastly and he went away. So have you listened the story, children? See that how the mouse was smart because he fooled the king of the jungle and he knows that which kind of precaution we have to take in COVID-19. So this way, children, in COVID-19 you have to become a little smart like a mouse. Which three things you have to remember? The first one, you have to wash your hands frequently and regularly at least for 20 seconds. But how you will count the 20 seconds? Let me tell you. When you will start to wash your hands, you have to start a birthday song. What you have to say? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday dear me. Happy birthday to me. So 20 seconds will be over. And the second one, whenever you will go outside, you have to wear a mask. And the third one, you have to maintain the social distance. So these three things, children, you have to remember in COVID-19. So I know you all are smart like a little mouse and teach these things to your parents also and your friends also. I think you enjoyed today's story. Have you enjoyed? Yes. Next time again we will meet with a new story. So stay home, save lives. Bye bye.